What's the meaning of Barbie? Barbie. Barbie.
Barbie. Barbie. Barbie is a brand of fashion dolls that was introduced by American toy company Mattel in 1959. The dolls are typically characterized by their slim and tall figures, blonde hair, and fashionable clothing. Over the years, Barbie has become a cultural icon and has been criticized for promoting narrow standards of femininity and beauty. The term Barbie has also been used colloquially to refer to a person, typically a young woman, who embodies a stereotypical ideal of beauty and femininity. However, there have been efforts to promote diversity and inclusivity in the brand, such as introducing dolls with different body types and skin tones.